Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to create Ghibli art style in ChatGPT for free. So open your browser and write Grok 3, click on this link and make sign up in this website. So I will make Ghibli art for these photos like this and this. So I have many photos to use, and this also. So I will select just some photo pictures. Then I will put a prompt in the description to use it. So I will use this prompt in ChatGPT. Make copy, then go to Grok Chat, click here to upload the picture. I will select this first. Now it is in uploading. Then I will paste the prompt. It is uploaded now. Then click on enter. As you seen, this is our Ghibli anime. Download it. Then we will choose another picture, upload another picture. Like this. Paste the prompt, then click on enter. So this is the anime. Click on save. Save it. Then we will try with other photo. Click on select files. We will choose this. Paste the prompt. Then click on enter button. And this is the final result. Save your photo. I hope that you like this tutorial and subscribe in my channel. Thank you for watching this video.